And this is the Upnlive Show. Welcome to the Upnlive Show. If you're just joining us, this is the only platform you ever need to know what's going on into the world of entertainment. And my name is DJ Rick Upnlive. Each and every Monday we bring to you the best and the best right here on Flames Radio. And it's my pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time in London City the artist who goes by the name of Gianni, and also my very good friend, my own name compatriot artist. He goes by the name of Ricardo Rawal. Welcome to Flames, gentlemen.
Yeah, bad something, man. You know the thing go. 17 in the building, no.
Which is right. And thank you very much for making it to the Upnlive Show. We were actually excited when you say your manager reached out to us and said you're going to come onto the show. Like, yeah.
I'm on the move, man. You know the thing go, man.
Which is right. So if for those of you who's watching at home or who's probably listening right now, can you just introduce yourself and tell me what kind of artist are you? What kind of artist is Gianni?
You don't know, so Gianni is a down-to-earth youth, you understand, you know? Cool, relax, calm, and the two make nothing but the way. You see me, I say, we just focus on the music and do the work. You see me, I say, we say 17, we say bad, we say one shot. You see me, I say, so at the year is 17, so we just make things happen. You understand?
Which is right.
I don't know the type of music we do. I kind of try to box up the thing, you see me? I have whole heap of music for everybody. You see what I'm saying? All different walks of life, so I cater to everybody.
Okay, so you're multi-genre basically.
Definitely.
Which is right. And Ricardo Rawal, my namesake.
Yeah.
If you just introduce yourself for me, please.
I don't know, I go by the name Ricardo Rawal, you see me? But based on the UK, but there, one shot, 17, see me, I represent everything, you see? I don't know, kind of have like a dancehall flavor, reggae flavor.
Yeah.
I'll cater for the girls then, you see me? I say,
which is right. It's only right if you're for the girls if you name Ricardo, which is definitely is my namesake. So, in terms of, you say you're here on a promotional tour, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, how long you been in the UK? Is it your first time?
Yeah, this is the first time.
First time coming to UK?
Yeah, I'm sure it won't be the last.
You're lucky you come when time is summer. What you could do, one shot media, next time you bring him to England, make sure you bring him into the height and winter. Bring him not even December, bring him in January. Where it's in the
I'm ready for it, man. Tough like that, man. Rough like that.
I know my crime, man.
It's crying now.
A Jamaica winter this.
But it's good though,
Yeah.
So have you been doing any shows since you've been here?
Yeah, you know, I did a show, well, 2 shows last night, you know.
2 shows last night?
O2 Forum.
Okay.
Town, you know,
yes.
show broke out.
Yes,
you know, some other names here from Jamaica. So we go and represent and we do a thing. I represent as well.
And pass through a legendary Sunday as well as it and do a little, give them a little preview of
what is good.
Straight.
Yeah.
So in terms of the music scene, obviously you don't know really much about what's going on here in the UK.
Yeah.
Obviously you're in Jamaica.
Yeah.
How do you feel that fans receive your music when you go on stage? Say a show that you said you done last night, perhaps. When you walked out on the stage, how was the reception? Did you enjoy the feel of it, or was it what you not expected?
Definitely, it was a good experience, you know, because remember my first time, you know, and when I walk out on the stage, I see people actually look, and I'm interested to hear, who is this guy, you know, what him come to say, you know what I mean? So, you know, they might not know the songs, but you say can see them a vibe to the thing, you know?
Yeah.
So
it takes a while to become
Definitely, no have no problem, man. You don't know at the starting stages, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah,
well,
so
you're doing well because you're in the UK.
Exactly. So
and you're doing the music and you're here for the right purpose.
Progress.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Because I've been seeing your label, One Shot Media.
Yeah.
I've been recognizing them over the last say month or month and a half. I've been seeing loads of promotional things about your media, but I don't really know much about. Can you just give me a quick summary of your label? How is it? Where is it based? Is it in Jamaica or is it in the UK?
The label is in the UK.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a UK based label. I understand. But you don't know them cater to me. I mean, yeah. So they make the music here.
Yeah.
And send it down there. You know what I mean?
And you get it there.
Alright, get it there and then get it here.
And then you get here. But that's a good.
You see the one shot thing still, it's a family thing, you see me? And
okay.
It started for a few years now, you see me? I try with the thing, but we kind of see the progress I'm making, you see me? So we just take it one step at a time, you see me? Cause just a group of friends who come together and know see our family thing and we are putting the work and Gianni and board and put in the work, you see me? So great things are going to happen for the future, you
Definitely, man. Tell them look out, man. We'll book out.
Straight.
But Rawal, you've been here and you've seen the music, the climate with the music and see how it is and see how many obstacles the music has to go through. How do you compare the Jamaica aspect of the music with the English aspect? Because you can speak for here, because you know how dancehall is and what the struggles dancehall go through here. How would you say it compares to Jamaica? Is it easier in Jamaica or is it easier here?
I would say easier in Jamaica, easier, you know, because everywhere you go you have obstacles, you see me?
Yeah.
But speaking for the UK, what me see in the UK, I feel like say when a youth a come up in the business,
Yeah.
he never really get the full support him supposed to get. And to me, I don't make that knock me down still, but I feel like I see why enough youth haven't really made the breakthrough because they have the talent and thing, but because they don't get the support of them to get, you can't see like it kind of damp them confident, you see me?
Yeah, but there's other ways that you can get your own support. There's loads. Social media plays a big part now, where you don't even have to be on the street. You don't even have to be in the studio to be a star. So most people are social media stars and then transfer that over to the musical platform. How would you defend yourself saying that? Wouldn't this work for you, I should say?
Well, for me personally, me don't make that damp me still, because when I get to realize, as you said, social media, it's a wide platform, you see me? So what I kind of tend to do for me now,
yeah,
I try to move towards that medium, you see me? So I try to promote myself more, you see me, and try to be active online more, you see me, and try to engage with my audience and all, and try to do my research and know which part of my music I reach and who I accept my music, you see me? So in that aspect of the thing, I'm just trying to get to learn the marketing side of the thing, because to me that's play a very important
that's where the money is, and that's where the manipulation goes on in terms of. I'm not saying that management is doing this or anything, but
yeah,
the previous examples, that's where artists lose out, where they have the raw talent, they know how to get the craft together, but they just don't know how to do the finances part. And that's where I find most artists end up with having the best songs and they'll be doing the greatest thing, but at the end of it there's nothing to show.
Yeah, that's true. Because when I get to understand, by doing my research and stuff, and a lot of artists, when you ask them, they don't really know about the business side of the thing. Them know about like going to the studio recording and stuff, but to me music don't only stop there, you see me, because there's so many opportunities in music, you see me, and as I was chatting to my brethren yesterday, and I let him know that music is a very powerful tool. It's up to us as individuals how we utilize it, you see me. And as I said, we as artists, we just focus on going into the studio, but there's other side which we need to learn.
The other side that we need to capitalize as well. That is definitely true. So
most important part of that, man.
That's where the finances come, and that's where you're gonna be as big as you want to be, because you need money in terms to get your thing out there, because there's not many people that's gonna just see you as a good artist and say, okay, I'm gonna invest in this artist, because it's a battle.
You see what you say about that still? We as artists we have to understand, especially upcoming artists. I'm not gonna speak for myself. Because in order for a person to invest in you, it's a business. And if you are gonna take up your money for invest in me, you have to see say
you can get a return.
So for what we as artists have to do now, we have to, as I say, the social media thing, we have to build our platform, with Instagram or Facebook, is in it, Twitter, with YouTube, get them views up. So when a man see a thing now, I say, alright,
okay, something is going on there.
Yeah.
But it takes work though.
That's it. And like success don't come overnight.
No, simple.
So we have to put in the work, you see. So if we want it, cause with me, I don't do music for the financial side of it, because music, the way of music helped me, music turned my life around, where I was in a situation and music helped me a lot. So with me now, I'm just say, you know what, I'm not going to look on the money side of the thing.
You just go and do it just for the life, for the love,
but
not for the life.
For the love, for the life.
So Gianni, your first time in the UK, right?
Yeah.
Was it what you expected, or was it all the hype?
You can show them I feel like I reach home. You know?
You feel at home?
Yeah. When I step out of the airport, it's like, place just look like it's supposed to be there, so.
You're supposed, but you need to be here.
Definitely.
And you need to be elsewhere into the rest of Europe as well.
Europe, definitely. Time I do it, man.
I've been watching your videos, and I've been listening to some of your songs, and I realize that you're a seasoned professional in terms of your writing, in terms of how you deliver your music, and you stage show performance, because that's the key in this modern era of music now.
Definitely.
It's not only the recording anymore, because anyone can go into the studio and engineers just make it sounds good, even when you sound like whatever, they can fat it up and make it sound nice. but it's how you deliver the music now, because that's where you make the money. Because we as Jamaicans, we know that Jamaicans don't really, not say they don't, but they can't afford it. Because even me now, I only start buying songs since I live in the UK. Because I used to go on YouTube and just download everything. Yeah, but now, people still do it. But now I have an obligation because I'm trying to give people, as I said before, I want to support. Even make a little, when we get paid one time, at least once the £15 go to my account to iTunes. Me just buy, have them already, but me just buy the songs and just say, alright, show a little youth I love.
Yeah, I appreciate that still. And the artist still love the progress we make still, is it?
He's making progress.
Yeah, definitely. And 17, but to me, 18 is in the car. And that's when everything I got to future.